I have been watching a lot of stuff in TikTok about very clear images of UFO sightings. Also, there's an object that the most sophisticated telescopes that we have are being able to look at and see that it's not behaving like a natural object. I know this doesn't prove anything, but the massive amount of allegations and the massive amount of videos pretty much make that saying that were you can hear the water. There's a river close by. Could you check on some of this material in very recent times, like, let's say, no more than 2 weeks back?
It's interesting that you're seeing a lot of UFO sightings on TikTok, and also hearing about unusual celestial objects being observed by telescopes. Let's break down what has been reported recently, focusing on the last 2 weeks as you requested. Recent UFO sightings. Unidentified aerial phenomena, UAPs. In the last couple of weeks, there have been some noteworthy reports regarding UAPs. Canada's new UFO report, published July 14, 2025. Canada's top scientist released a new report recommending the creation of a new federal body to standardize, collect, and investigate UFO reports. The report acknowledges that witnesses, including pilots and military personnel, describe, quote, strange lights, unusually moving objects, or phenomena in the sky for which no immediate explanation can be provided. It also highlights how stigmatization can discourage witnesses from coming forward. New York sightings, reported July 7, 2025. Data from the National UFO Reporting Center, NUFORC, indicates 66 UAP sightings in New York State during the first half of 2025. While this isn't exclusively from the last 2 weeks, the report was published recently. Some accounts describe, quote, sharp right-angle turns, sudden accelerations, and zigzagging flight paths. Disc-shaped UAP video, July 8, 2025. CNN reported on a disc-shaped UAP captured on video. While these reports mention various sightings, and some include photographic or video evidence, official organizations like NUFORC often don't immediately release the digital evidence to the public. The current environment does show a growing interest and more mainstream discussion around these phenomena. Unusual celestial objects observed by telescopes. Regarding objects observed by telescopes that are not behaving like a natural object, there's a significant recent development. Interstellar Object 3I, Atlas. This is the big news in the astronomy world right now. Discovery. On July 1, 2025, the Atlas, Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, survey telescope in Chile, reported observations of a comet that originated from interstellar space. It was initially dubbed A11-3Z, and then officially named 3IATLAS, or C/2025N1. Unnatural behavior for a typical solar system object. What makes it unnatural in this context is its interstellar origin. It's not orbiting our sun like typical comets or asteroids in our solar system. It's just passing through, traveling at extremely high speeds, around 60 kilometers per second or 216,000 kilometers per hour, too fast to be captured by the sun's gravity. Characteristics. It's the third interstellar object ever seen, and at about 7 miles, 11 kilometers wide, it's significantly larger than the previous two, Oumuamua and Borisov. Observations suggest it might be the oldest comet ever seen, predating our solar system by billions of years. Visibility. It is currently visible to ground-based telescopes and will remain so through September. The Gemini North Telescope took a new image of it on July 15, 2025, and the Hubble Space Telescope imaged it on July 21, 2025. It's important to differentiate between UFO/UAP sightings, which are often anecdotal or limited in verifiable data, and astronomical observations of celestial objects. While the Interstellar Object 3I/Atlas is certainly unnatural in its origin and trajectory relative to our solar system, its behavior is consistent with what astronomers would expect from an interstellar comet. The not behaving like a natural object phrasing you heard might be a simplified way of describing its unique, non-solar system-bound path. The massive amount of videos you're seeing on TikTok about UFOs could be a mix of genuine eyewitness accounts, misidentifications of known objects, and fabricated content. It's always good to approach such videos with a critical eye, as it can be difficult to verify their authenticity.